In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI blocks with Monday.com. We'll walk through where to find AI blocks inside Monday.com and how to add them to a board using the Automation Center with tips to help you choose the best approach for your workflow. Start on the Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're signed in with access to the workspace and board you want to automate. From here, head into Workspaces to locate the area where your team's folders and boards live. Open the relevant folder so you can see the boards inside it, then click into the specific board you want to enhance with AI. On the board, look to the top right and select Automate. This opens the Automation Center, which is your hub for templates, AI blocks, and custom builds. You'll see categories along the left or top depending on your layout. Use these categories to filter for the type of automation you need. Many AI-powered options appear under relevant sections, so browsing can help you spot the right fit. If you already know the name or type of AI block you're after, use the search bar to find it quickly. If you want full control, choose Create from Scratch. This path lets you define the trigger and actions yourself, and when using AI blocks, specify how the AI should analyze or generate content based on your board's data. Keep an eye on field mapping so the AI knows which columns to use. Next, open the Manage area. This is where you'll oversee everything you've added. In automations, you can review and toggle individual recipes on or off. Run history shows recent executions and outcomes, which is helpful for troubleshooting and confirming that your AI steps behave as expected. My connections list the integrations and authorizations your automations rely on, so if something needs re-authentication, you'll find it here. Account usage provides visibility into limits, helping you understand how many runs or actions your team has consumed. When you're ready to add more, go back to the Create view. If you see a template that matches your use case, click Use Template to start with a pre-built setup. This can be faster than building from scratch, and you can still tweak prompts, conditions, and column mappings to suit your board. Finally, click Create Automation to add your selection to the board. From this point, your automation will follow the trigger you configured. If you want to confirm behavior or refine the setup, revisit Run History and manage to review results and adjust settings. That's it. You've located AI blocks, explored your options, and activated an AI-powered automation in Monday.com.